In this quick video, I am going to show you how to create a typewriter effect in Premiere Pro. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel to help me reach 1000 subscribers. So firstly, select the type tool and click anywhere on the preview screen to add your text. Once you have typed your text, head over to the essential graphics to adjust the size and center it using the align buttons. Next, go to the effects panel, search for cropped effect and drag it onto your text layer. Now open effect controls, find the right crop option and enable animation by clicking the stopwatch icon and set the value of first keyframe to 100% to hide the text completely. Move forward a few seconds in the timeline and change the value back to 0%, revealing the text letter by letter. Adjusting the keyframe spacing will control the speed of the animation. For an extra touch, you can add a typewriter sound effect to enhance the effect. So this is the process. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.